The Intel Core i5 laptops are the most budget-friendly yet high-performance laptops out of the entire family of Intel Core processors. A decent Core i5 laptop will let you play AAA games, and you can also throw in some pretty heavy duty like editing and rendering with Photoshop and Adobe Premiere, and even launch 3D modeling softwares like AutoCAD and SolidWorks. Unfortunately, finding the best i5 laptop for the money is not that easy. To help you in choosing the best laptop powered by Intel Core i5 11th generation processor, we have made a list of top 10 laptops to choose from. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button and do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Dell Inspiron 3501. The Dell Inspiron 3501 is available with different combinations of CPU and graphics. It is powered by 11th generation Intel Core i5 CPU with dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX 330. The availability of dedicated 2GB NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphics makes this Dell Inspiron 3501 model stand out amongst other similarly configured models. The dedicated graphics memory ensures that it does not use the system memory for graphics-intensive work such as content creation and gaming. Thus, this Dell laptop is good model for content creators. This Dell Inspiron 3501 laptop features good storage options too. That is, it comes with 1TB hard disk plus 256GB of fast SSD storage. The 15.6-inch display enables you to view images with a perfect clarity. It comes with a Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, allows easy streaming of content from the internet at reasonable speed. There is also a backlit keyboard, and 8GB of system memory empowers this laptop to perform multitasking activities efficiently without any fear. Buy this laptop for its better configuration, excellent storage capacity and dedicated graphics. The only disappointment here is the sound quality. It is not satisfactory. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. HP 15. Good audio-video features characterize this HP 15 laptop to qualify as one of the best budget i5 laptops in 2021. The comparatively moderate graphics makes this laptop a decent appliance for your regular computing work. Compared to the other models in this list, the HP 15 model is more budget-friendly. It features 11th generation Intel Core i5 CPU and Iris Xe graphics, and also it is one of the best 11th generation i5 laptops under 60,000 Indian rupees or under $600 in the international market. The RAM is slower than other laptops and the exciting thing here is it is also coming with the 512GB of fast SSD storage like the Acer Aspire 5. The 15.6 inches anti-glare screen allows for a standard viewing experience. This laptop does not offer a backlit keyboard, hence you cannot use it without proper illumination. The best aspect of this model is its sturdy build and lightweight design. It measures around 1.7 kg. Thus, it is suitable appliance on the portability front. Consider this laptop for its expandable storage options, thin and lightweight design, good booting and shutdown performance. The disappointment is, as I said before, there is no backlit keyboard provided. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is a touchscreen laptop that works as a notebook or a tablet and comes with a 360-degree hinge design. And this notebook will cost you around 70 to 80,000 Indian rupees and under $800 in the international market. It is amazingly lightweight at just 1.5 kg and thin notebook that is easy to carry everywhere. The powerful and the latest 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor offers breakthrough performance. Additionally, we are getting the Intel Iris Xe graphics that is 50% faster than the 10th generation, and the notebook also boasts 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which is amazing. The battery life is also decent with up to 6 to 8 hours of practical usage. Consider this laptop for its fast and reliable performance, slim and stylish with a sturdy build and decent battery backup. The only disappointment here is the display could have been better. Asus VivoBook S14. Though the Asus VivoBook S14 comes with a similar configuration as the Acer Aspire 5 model, it is better laptop because of a better display and innovative Asus algorithm to ensure high quality performance. Students love this Asus VivoBook because it is available in a range of exciting colors and design. The 14-inch display with the thin bezel nano edges delivers an immersive visual experience. Performance-wise, the Asus VivoBook allows for normal computing activities, casual gaming and fast internet browsing and streaming because of the Wi-Fi 6 compatibility. This model highlights Asus intelligent performance technology and an exclusive Asus algorithm with a range of sensors, an aerodynamic ice blades fan design and a 65-watt power supply to enhance CPU performance. The additional Intel Optane memory improves the laptop's processing power. Coming to the battery life, it will give you up to 12 hours of battery life. That is pretty amazing. Buy this laptop for its exclusive security features like a fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard and My Asus linking feature. The disappointments are, RAM is not upgradable and the Windows Hello support allows adding only one fingerprint. HP Pavilion X360. It is the most affordable 2-in-1 Tiger Lake powered laptop with a decent display and battery life. Powered by Intel Core i5 11th generation processor, comes with a 8GB of DDR4 RAM that is expandable up to 16GB. The laptop also comes with a fast 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Coming to the battery life, it may give you the battery life of up to 7 hours and also weighs around 1.5 kg, which is little bit light. Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 should be an ideal laptop if you are looking for budget options. It comes with a decent configuration for a laptop that will cost you around under $700 or under 60,000 Indian rupees. While being suitable for general computing activity, it allows gamers to indulge in casual gaming also. One striking aspect of this Acer Aspire model is that it has slimmed down considerably from its earlier generation, making it a lightweight laptop. Though the aluminum lid lends sturdiness, the rest of the body is made up of plastic. Another advantage of this model is the generous distribution of connectivity options. Beside the 4 USB ports, it also features an HDMI 2.0 port. The laptop is powered by 11th generation Intel Core CPUs, also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5.0 to offer complete package. The laptop also comes with a 512GB of fast SSD storage, which makes it a cheaper laptop considering the same configuration in other laptops. Consider this laptop for its upgradable RAM, enables better multitasking, good distribution of connectivity ports, and light, compact and portable design. The disappointment is, backlit keyboard is not available with this model. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 model is slim and light in weight but sturdy because of its durable aluminum surface and metallic finish. It features an excellent configuration to deliver a seamless entertainment and computing experience. Configuration-wise, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 is a powerful laptop capable of delivering a decent gaming experience. The Intel Iris Xe graphics ensures a high-quality graphics performance. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with its 300 nits brightness allow you to work comfortably during the day without worrying about the sunlight falling on the screen. The rapid charging feature enables you to recharge the laptop up to 80% within an hour. The backlit keyboard is another highlight of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 model, and the privacy shutter on the webcam acts as an excellent security measure to protect your identity. Consider this laptop for its good laptop for regular use and mid-range gaming. RAM is upgradable and it has got better battery performance. The disappointment here is inconvenient charging port and cable. Asus ZenBook 14. Asus ZenBook 14 is the lightest laptop in this list, measuring 1.17 kg in weight. This Asus model epitomizes the quality of travel light and travel smart with its excellent configuration. The lightning fast Thunderbolt 4 ports are the highlight of the 11th generation Intel Core CPU powered laptop. These ports allow data transfer speeds at 40 Gbps and also support 65-watt power battery charging. Besides, you can connect dual 4K Ultra HD displays and have fantastic time. Another highlight of this Asus ZenBook is its edge-to-edge keyboard that allows for an entire row of additional function keys on the right side for improved productivity. The innovative NumberPad 2.0 mirrors cutting-edge technology with the productivity and enhances comfort levels. Features like face recognition software make it one of the safest appliances to use. The Windows Hello feature enables you to log in quickly. Consider this laptop for its sturdy build despite being a lightweight appliance, best i5 laptop for students, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and the touchpad and the backlit keyboard are comfortable to use. The disappointment is the speakers could have been placed on top. HP Pavilion 14. Here is a compact laptop that should prove excellent for programming, video editing and other productive activities simultaneously. This laptop weighs around 1.41 kg to qualify as an extremely light appliance to carry around wherever you go. Intel Iris Xe graphics allows you to switch between gaming, entertainment and creative work with absolute ease. This laptop features a powerful 11th generation Core i5 CPU that supports Wi-Fi 6, which is the fastest internet connectivity standard available today. Hence, you can enjoy a seamless streaming experience on the HP Pavilion 14. This laptop features a powerful Li-ion battery with a super fast charging options. Thus, you can recharge the machine while on the go. This HP Pavilion model features fingerprint reader to provide security of the highest order. Other exciting features include a full HD display, backlit keyboard, Bluetooth version 5 connectivity, and adequate storage and memory. Consider this laptop for its fast charging battery, good RAM and SSD storage, excellent configuration at budget price. The disappointment is the body appears a bit weak. Acer Swift 3X. Indeed, this laptop is for all those workaholics who need a reliable laptop for work and casual gaming as well. That extra 4GB dedicated Intel Xe Max graphics can give you decent gaming performance in AAA games and good gameplay in esports as well. With loads of RAM and good battery life, the Acer Swift 3X is a great choice at a justified cost. The laptop is powered by Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with a turbo up to 4.2 GHz. It comes with a beautiful 40-inch display with IPS technology. The laptop comes with a fast 512GB of SSD storage and 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The main exciting thing about this laptop is, as I said before, it will give you up to 17 hours of battery life and also comes at a lightweight of just 1.37 kg. So these are the top 10 best laptops that you can consider to buy if you are planning to buy a laptop powered by Intel Core i5 11th generation processor. So if I had left any of the best model in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.